Here's a new way to eat, so make sure you eat it. First, prepare your big ass. Then fill him with autumn water to eat. Then prepare light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Use a little oil, use it and stir. Pour into the washed rice and beat well. Pour into the electric rice cooker. Then add water brewing powder 69, use 9 minutes, then cut carrots, onions and potatoes, then fry the roasted shrimp oil with good oil, stir until fragrant, then add it, stir fry the chopped side dishes together, add the shooter, not have to pay put old soy sauce the color is not, then you add water, hook flour and sesame oil 2 grain fast jogging pingdong consumption test, that's all you need.